In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account with Bendigo Bank. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar simply type in bendigobank.com.au and press enter. This will now take you into the official website for Bendigo Bank. Now simply click on the login button at the top right corner and you will now be taken into the login page. Now since we don't already have an account, just scroll down and you will now be able to find the register button. Click on the register button and then click on the internet banking option. Click on register now and you will be asked to call your toll-free number or visit your nearest Bendigo branch. You can also download the application on the App Store or the Google Play Store to make the process of signing up more smooth. But more or less, you will either need to call them or visit the branch directly in order to complete setting up your account. And that is how you can open up a new account with Bendigo Bank. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.